Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through my step-by-step campaign optimization mechanisms. And this is exactly what I actually did for a UK brand that I presented recently. And that's exactly what I'm going to be walking you through. So if you are running a paid media campaign, whether Facebook or Google or TikTok, this is the same concept with which you can actually use to improve any paid media campaign towards a specific ROI. In this specific example, we have an ROI that is being achieved at the moment, and we are trying to optimize the whole business campaign towards some specific ROI, which I'm going to be showing you in a couple of slides. So this is the campaign we are going to be working on, and it is a campaign for a UK brand, and we have some specific ROI, and all the metrics has been consolidated in a specific spreadsheet, just like we have it here. And that's exactly one of the first things that you must pay attention to if you are a performance marketing specialist or a marketing manager. You must make sure that you actually have a consolidation of your metrics into one dashboard like this, so that you can actually focus on optimizing and making the most out of the information that you have. So in this specific example, we have a series of campaign by a jewelry brand that we are optimizing towards a specific ROI, which is £18. Currently, the overall ROI is £13, and we are working on optimizing it towards £18. That's like improving the overall business revenue for the brand. To start with analyzing the campaign performance, there are some key insight and optimization opportunities that we are going to be seeing, and which I'm going to be walking you through. Firstly, you can look at, we have a column for the types of campaign that we are running here, another column for the impressions that we are getting from each and every campaign. The impressions are like how many people are seeing our campaigns. That's like how many eyeballs are our campaigns getting. Then the cost is how much our campaigns is costing us, and like another column for how much clicks we are getting on our campaign. Our CPC is the cost per clicks, and also we have the search impression share, just like how much we are getting seen, like the percentage of time when people search for us on the Google search engine results page, how much we are getting seen, and also how much search lost impression share per budget. So that's basically the percentage of how much we are losing out on search. Like when people are searching for keywords that relate to our brand, how well are we actually appearing? And so this percentage is actually showing us how much we are losing out on the kind of searches we are supposed to be showing out for. So you can see that we have the column there too. And also we have a bidding strategy type that we are using for each campaign as its own bidding strategy. It could be automatic, it could be manual, and there are several types of under each and every category. So our bidding strategy is basically what we are showing in this column. And also we have the conversion rate. This is like how much conversion we are making from each and every campaign. And also we have the column for revenue to show us how much revenue we are generating from each and every campaign. And specifically, we now have the number of sales that is coming from each and every of this campaign. Then finally, we have the ROI, that is return on investment, how much we are actually making in return from the investments we are putting out in this campaign. So that's basically the dashboard and how we have been able to consolidate our data for this specific brand. So moving forward, in analyzing the campaign performance and insights and the optimization opportunities from the campaign, we can see that the campaign 2, which is this campaign 2 is giving us a 52 ROI. Like this is the best performing campaign that we have, and also we are trying to improve it. So what we do in this case is firstly, the insight is that campaign 2 achieve a strong ROI, which is outperforming other campaigns significantly. And also we have underperformance in other campaigns due to keyword and ad mismatches and inefficiencies of the ad campaigns. And also another insight that we have from this overall dashboard is that we have some low quality scores and cost per click inefficiencies that are key contributors to the underperformance of these overall campaigns. And also we have some implemented targeted strategies for optimization, and we need to improve performance across all these campaigns. So basically, those are the first initial insight that we have generated from our campaign. And moving forward, we also have some key observations that we are making by campaign. And this section is going to be highlighting the performance differences among campaigns and focusing on high performers and also the underperforming campaigns with actionable insight that we can derive from them. So the high performance is the campaign 2 as we discussed, which is showing a very strong ROI due to effective bidding strategies and also relevant keywords that resonate with target audience. And also we have underperforming campaigns from like campaign 1 and the campaign 3 and the others below it. So they are struggling due to keyword and ad mismatches and low quality scores that leads to inefficient spending and outreach. And the key insights from this is that optimizing ad copy and refining keyword strategy can significantly improve the performance of underperforming campaigns to drive better return on investment for the business. So we have some key observations that we need to make on those campaigns. This section is going to be highlighting the performance differences among campaigns and also focusing on high performance and underperformance with actionable insight. So now looking at the high performing campaign, which has shown a strong ROI. So the core optimization action that we are going to be taking is to allocate budget strategically by distributing the budget to prioritize high-performing campaigns while minimizing the ad spend on the underperformers. Think of it like we have a campaign that's already doing well. So what we want to do now is to increase how much we are spending on the campaign that is doing well. And we are going to be doing this strategically. I'm going to be expatiating on how we are going to be approaching this increment in the next couple of slides. And also, we are regularly going to review and adjust allocations based on real-time performance data to maximize the overall return on investment. That's the exact way we are going to be maximizing, to be increasing well on what we are doing well and also improving, doing better on trying to improve the other campaigns that are lagging behind. So looking at the bidding strategy and adjustments, implementing a more efficient strategy that focuses on maximizing conversions. Look at one of the first campaigns, you see that the bidding strategy we were using is the search impression share. And also we need to consider automated bidding options to optimize bids in real time by ensuring competitive positions in the marketplace. And the keyword refinement, continuously refine the keyword list by identifying low performing keywords and also by replacing them with high potential alternatives. So we need to utilize negative keywords to avoid irrelevant traffic and improve overall campaign efficiency. What this means is that when you are running campaign, you are attracting some keywords, especially on Google search campaign. When you are attracting some keywords that are not relevant to your business and your business keywords. So in those cases, you want to constantly add those kind of keywords as negative keywords to make sure that your ads is only appearing for the right keywords, people who have the intent of looking for your product or service. So that's how you want to refine your keywords. And the next is the ad copy optimization. You need to regularly test and optimize ad copy to enhance the click-through rate, because the message, we call it the message market fit. Something that actually resonates with what your target audience are searching for is going to be driving a lot more click than just using some random message that is not data backed. By this, you need to focus on crafting compelling messaging that aligns with target audience, and it needs to be incorporated with strong call to actions. Even the call to actions needs to be tested. You need to do constant experimentation on what call to action is working. Sometimes is it funneling them to your website landing page, or is it funneling them to your business homepage? Whichever one works perfectly the most, then you need to use that to optimize your campaign. And also in the next 40 days, we are looking to prioritize with this system. So what we are doing is to allocate budget to campaign 2 that is performing well, and in order to capitalize on its strong ROI, and also adjust bidding strategies to enhance competitiveness and refine keywords to eliminate underperformance. And also in the second week, we need to now start implementing creative ad copy optimizations based on performance data. We review to improve landing pages for higher conversion rates, and also because all this actually works together to improve Google Ads, to introduce mid-funnel nurture tactics to engage potential customers effectively. So these steps will actually contribute to a more efficient media spend and drive the ROI improvement overall. So the expected ROI improvement that we kind of envisage by implementing our strategic optimization actions, we project a significant improvement in ROI across all campaigns. Focusing on efficient bidding strategies and refining keywords will lead to reduced cost per click and increased spend efficiency. So our analysis indicates that by aligning ads with targeted keywords and enhancing landing page experiences, we can expect an uplift in conversion rates. And also, ultimately, these changes should yield a projected ROI improvement of 15 to 25%, which is our target. So over the next quarter, we are ensuring the maximum value for our paid media investment. And that's it. So what you need to understand is that the overall success of a Google Ads campaign, it's based on how well you can actually consolidate your funnel in terms of the offer, the landing page experience, the messaging, the overall strategy is what actually makes Google Ads campaign very successful. So thank you, and I'll see you again the next time.